Welcome everyone to weekly weather update. And today's video we're going to have a look at the live radar first, looking at the precipitation and the temperatures, looking at the UKV, having a look at the long range precipitation and the long range temperatures, and there are signs of hotter weather to come for next week, and also to end August to come into September. And we're going to have a look at GFS to see what that's going to say. Now, after this, we're going to have a look at some weather warnings, and there are some weather warnings for London for flooding and rain. So we'll get into that after we go from the live radar, but you can already see the precipitation that is building up in the London area. We can see locally heavy as possible, as that is quite a slow moving front that will precipitate in, and that will go after 2. It won't be as bad at 2. Now, please excuse my voice. I have got a bit of a cold. Hopefully you won't go. And I do have to clear my throat a few times. I might have to cough a few times, if that's okay. And a few sniffing as well. So, I'm not feeling ill, but I just have a bit of a cold. Anyway, let's just get back to the thing. So, looking at the temperatures, nothing special about the temperatures. In fact, it's quite a little bit below average for some. Even for the midday, we're still getting about... sorry, just weird here. We're still getting about, very cool temperatures, even if we're the hottest day. With the rain, whatever temperature London has, it will feel a lot cooler, and obviously with the thick cloud. So it'll be a widely cool day. I'm guessing mid to high teens today. I don't think it'll be likely to see 20 Celsius at least today. And there is a lot of cloud today, so a bit of an overcast day. So if I put the cloud forecast on, there is a lot of cloud that will dissipate into the night. So yeah, quite a cloudy day, and not the best for, coming out. Now have a look at the weather warnings. There's a yellow warning for rain in the London area, Portsmouth, Canterbury area, so the southeast, from 6 AM to 1. Spells of rains, heavy at time, could cause some traffic disruption, maybe flooding in some areas. For example, obviously, if it does get bad, transport can be affected like it was with the wind warning. A few flooding might be possible, maybe some interruption with car supplies. So yeah, 15 to 30 millimeters are likely. Maybe in some localised areas, 50 to 70 could come if that is that. So, in every other scale, it has a medium likelihood and a low impact, meaning it is likely, likely, but it will have a little bit of a low impact. So that's why it's a weather warning, yellow weather warning. And here are the areas that it's going to affect: east of England, London, and southeast England. Not a lot, but it is covering quite a huge population, such as London, of course. Now, have a look at the long range precipitation. Coming into today, on Saturday, we can see that band of rain pushing in from the London area. As you can see, there are some locally heavy rainfall possible as that moves back into the continent. Otherwise, a fairly dry day, a few showers in the north, and a few lingering showers in the far east. However, a few scattered cloud, maybe turning cloudy at times, but otherwise fairly dry for Saturday. Drier than a few days. Along with that rain with that London area. So looking into Sunday then, again another band of rain pushing in from the Atlantic, mostly affecting northern areas, heavy on the hills as possible as that, and then it will move up to southern Scotland, and that will linger a little bit into showers. And looking into Monday, a little bit better actually, just a bit, maybe a little bit more cloudy with a few more drizzle showers as possible. Looking into Tuesday, an unsettled day for northern Scotland as they are experiencing heavy rain, moderate to heavy rainfall, maybe heavy on the hills, if you know where that is, with a few more showers to pushing from Tuesday night. And then to Wednesday, a lot better actually, a few clouds, but maybe some sun will peek out alongside that. And then into Thursday, there is a weather front moving into Ireland, so we'll have to see if it comes in. Now looking at the temperatures today, I believe the temperatures are a little bit below average. 19 and maybe the low case 20 is possible. Very cool indeed. We even get into 14 Celsius in Far East, so getting quite cold indeed. So probably the coolest day we have in August, really. On to Sunday then. A little bit warmer, but not ridiculous more warmer. It's just a few more 20s and that's it. Just 20 in the Far East, mid to high teens, maybe even mid to low teens in some areas on Sunday. Obviously cooler a lot cooler in the north in Scotland. And then on to Monday, again, it's a little bit warmer actually. 20 to 21, 22, 23 is possible. It is getting a little bit warmer. This is where the title's coming in. And then on to Tuesday, a lot warmer in fact. We're getting a lot more widespread 20s, 25 to 26 is possible. So getting a lot warmer in fact, definitely. And then on to Wednesday, guess what? We are getting a lot higher. There's a 26, 27, even a 28 is possible on Wednesday. So we might finish off with a 28 degrees. So it's a lot warmer, actually a lot hotter on Wednesday. So we will be seeing a 28 possible in the Far East, maybe in London. Otherwise, widespread 24, 25 and 26 to 27 is possible with a possible 28. And on to Thursday, here are the temperatures. So it does look like it is getting warmer for next week. So we might see a little mini heat wave to end coming into September, maybe ranging around 28 to 29 to 30. Nothing really crazy, but it's still a heat wave. We'll have to see what happens. So talking about that, having a look at the looking at the GFS, we are in an area of low pressure at the moment. That's why there's so much cloud, and then and so much rain in the south, as there's a deep low pressure causing that rain to happen. Sunday doesn't seem as unsettled. Then the millibars are turning a bit higher as we go along the week. And on to Monday, again even higher actually. Now we're going to get to range to 1020 millibars. Higher pressure as it's above the surface line. Looking onto here, we can see the blocking. There's a low pressure trying to pull in, but as we go along into Wednesday, we know that is going to be blocked off by the high pressure, and the high pressure will win for now, giving us more dry weather. And hot weather is more possible in the east. Maybe that low pressure will linger on to the far north or west of Scotland, but otherwise, the high pressure has won for now. As going into September, we are going to see a lot warmer weather. As you can see, darker colours, it means we might get some more warmer colours as there's a higher pressure indeed. So, definitely turning a lot warmer coming into September. Okay, so it does look like it will be getting hotter, as that says on UKV. We might see areas getting to 30 if we get into September, as this is showing as well. So we'll have to see what happens. I do excuse my voice today as well, guys. I'm really sorry. I hope it goes in a few days. This is the worst point. I've just got a bit of a cold and a bit under weather, so just let you know. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.